Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Ecology and Society, week 5th, assignment 5th. So the first question is, which of the following prediction postulate by the optimal foraging theory is correct? So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first consist of formal models which predict how under given external conditions a forager should behave. So the answer of our first question is C. Now the second question is for inculturation theorists, what does observation best indicates? So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, observation to observe is actively to attend to the movement of others. So the answer of our second question is B. Now the third question is, which of the following individuals made the claim that the idea of a supernatural order is necessarily derived from the idea of a natural order of things? So these are the option: Bruno Latour, Emily Durkheim, Karl Marx, Max Weber. So let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, Durkheim argued 1960 the idea of a supernatural order is necessarily derived from the idea of a natural order of things. So the answer of our third question is so the answer of our third question is B. Now the fourth question is, when nature is assumed to be a transcultural and transhistoric domain of reality, no phenomena or entire which is said to depart from ordinary physical possibilities can escape being labeled dash. So these are the options, and now let's check. So the answer of our fourth question is C, supernatural. Now the fifth question is, the novice hunter actually learn their trade by dash. So these are the options, and now let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, how novice hunter actually learn their trade. So these are the answer, and the answer of our fifth question is D. Now the sixth question is, which of the following are considered to be non-human in totemic system. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question six, non-human provide a repository of labels for society classification. They are the signs. So the answer of our sixth question is D. Now the seventh question is, which of the following statement regarding Levi Strauss view of the nature culture divide is false. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seven, Levi Strauss has tended to downplay the dualism of the nature culture opposition. So the answer of our seventh question is B. Now the eighth question is, evolutionary ecology seeks to show how behaviors is sensitively responsive to. So these are the option, and let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question eight, the evolutionary ecology seeks to show how behavior is sensitively responsive to variation in the environment. So the answer of our eighth question is B. Now the ninth question is, in totemic system non-human provide dash. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So ninth question, in totemic system non-humans provide a repository of label for society social classification. So the answer of our ninth question is B. Now the 10th question is, the most basic goal that human beings seek to achieve and that motivate their behavior have been designed by natural selection under the kinds of environmental condition experienced by dash. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10, most basic goals that human beings seek to achieve and that motivate their behavior have been designed by natural selection under the kind of environmental condition experienced by ancestral populations in the course of the evaluation of our species. So the answer of our 10th question is also B. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.